YouTube, what is up? It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Hey, yo, I got some great, amazing news for you guys. Are you ready? You know, if you guys got any questions for me about your waves, your brushing, your products, your pattern, you know, stuff, any questions in the book, man, any questions you got, I'm gonna need y'all to DM me, man. I'm gonna need y'all to DM because I got an Instagram page, and y'all go follow me at 360_juice with a 3. My name gonna be up on the video, you know, the whole way through. So y'all just look at that, you feel me, and just follow me whenever y'all get a chance. And yeah, man, it's about time. I only made it because, you know, I'm about to hit 5K by tonight or tomorrow morning. So, you know, I'm like, you know, I'm not about to wait till I hit 10K. So I might as well make one now. So that's the exciting news, guys. And also, guys, subscribe to my other channel. That channel is going to be for me and my girlfriend. All right, that link is going to be down in the description below. Subscribe, road to 1K. Let's get it. Support your boy. Support your boy. Please, guys, go subscribe. We trying to get to 1K by the end of the year. And yeah, I know we can do it. So guys, stop what you're doing. I'm gonna wait for you. Click that link in the description below and subscribe to me and my girlfriend's channel. I'm waiting. Let me know when y'all done. Y'all done? Y'all did it? Good, let's get it. And another thing, guys, please keep donating for the new camera, man. I appreciate every dollar, every dime, every nickel, every penny that you guys already donated so far. But man, we are so far from hitting $500, man. So far. Please, guys, please keep donating. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, y'all. This video is for all my beginner wavers. If you're a beginner, this video is for you. If you're not a beginner and you know you already got the connections and everything, this video is not for you. But you can still watch because I want you to comment anything that you have or anything that you want to add to whatever I have to say. So if you got anything you want to say, if you got anything you want to add, just put that in the comment section below. And if I see it, you know, we're going to communicate. I'm going to communicate with you. So, all my beginners, when you first start waving, okay? First start waving, I want you to cut your hair down to a 1.5. That's where you're gonna start at. Start at a 1.5. 1.5, if you don't know what that means, is when you cut your hair, the clipper that you use to cut your hair, the guard, is a 1.5, 1.5. Next, I'm gonna need you to choose a pattern. Either 720, 360 beehive, 540s, 180s, 360 swirls. You know, just choose a pattern that you wanna do, and I want you to study it. Next, all my beginners, I'm gonna need you to get a soft and medium brush. You can get these two brushes from my boy Clutch the Barber. I'm gonna have his link down in the description below. That's where I get my brushes and my do-rag. His brushes are nice. So if you wanna get your first brush, click that link in the description below and go to his site and get your brush today. All right, guys, so that's the first stage. All right, if you're a beginner, this is your first stage. Now, we're gonna talk about what you should not be focusing on during your first stage. Wolfing. You should not be focused on wolfing if you're just starting to wave, all right? Because you can't wolf and you don't have any ripples, anything on your head. So don't focus on that. Next, we have combing. You don't have to focus on combing if you don't have waves. Like I said before, you don't got no waves, no ripples, don't be focusing on combing. Just focus on brushing. Do not focus on washing styles. You don't need to be washing and styling your hair if you don't got no waves, all right? So just focus on brushing, like I said. Last, product. Do not focus on product because you're not enhancing anything because you don't got nothing. Alright, just focus on brushing. Okay, I already told you guys focus on brushing. Now let's get to what you should be focusing on. If you're a beginner, you know, you're just starting to wave, your brush session should be 45 minutes to an hour. Every day, no days off, alright? Because you guys want waves quick, you gotta put in the work. Alright, every single day, 45 minutes to an hour. Another thing you should be focusing on is mirror brushing. When you brush 45 minutes an hour, you have to have a mirror in your hand looking at your pattern and brushing with a mirror. Last thing you should be focusing on as a beginner is always wearing your do-rag to sleep at night. Always. Even when you're taking a nap, wear your do-rag. Sleep at night, wear your do-rag. Now that we're done with everything that you should be focusing on while you're when you're a beginner, let's move on. Alright, so you don't cut your hair down to 1.5. Now your hair is growing, right? Now we get to the wolfing stage. Now, if you get your haircut every 2 weeks, when those 2 weeks come up, you don't get a haircut. You keep going, you keep letting your hair grow. That's your wolfing stage. Now you're wolfing. When you first start wolfing, I want you to wolf for 6 weeks. Your first wolf session, I want it to be 6 weeks, and I want you to cut it down and then wolf again. You gotta gradually increase the weeks as you get more experience as a waver. So during your wolf session, I want you to comb your hair, wash and style, and use some products. You don't wanna bury your hair with products. You can start using some products because you're gonna start seeing ripples when you're in your wolf stage. So you could put a little bit of products in your hair, but don't focus on that fully yet. Just focus on brushing still. Now, I remember I told you guys, you have to start off with a soft and medium brush, right? Now that you're on your wolf stage, now you will need a hard brush. But only as hard as your hair can handle. Or should I say, your scalp can handle. Once you start the ripple stage and start seeing connections and your waves forming and everything, then you can start focusing on products, you know? Because the product is gonna enhance the look. You don't wanna enhance your ripples, you wanna enhance the waves. That's why in the beginning stage, I don't want you to focus on that. Once you start seeing connections and definition, yeah, you can start adding products to give it some shine and make it look healthy. All right. So in your wolf session, make sure you brush your hair. Like you gotta brush all sides evenly. Don't spend 30 minutes on this side, 5 minutes on this side, 6 minutes on this side, and 15 minutes in the back. You gotta brush evenly, man. All right. So guys, now we're down to the angles. There's 8 angles you should be brushing if you're doing 360 like I am. I'm gonna demonstrate those 8 angles right here. So the first angle you're gonna use, right, is gonna start from your crown to the middle, right here. So it's gonna be here to here. So it's gonna look like this. Your next angle, that's number 1. Remember, that's number 1. Your next angle, it's gonna be straight, right? Straight down. So this is 1. This is 2. 2. 3 is gonna be over here. Third angle, it's gonna be right here. From here, it's gonna look like this. Next angle, it's gonna be from here to the back of the ear. Not the back, but like right here to this side of the ear. From here to here. That's your 4th angle. So you're gonna go down like this. Your 5th angle is gonna be back here. Back here. So from this side of the ear to right here. Look like this. Your 6th angle is gonna just be straight back. It's gonna be straight back. Your 7th angle is gonna be from here back. Just like the other side. This side you're gonna be from here back, from here to the top of the ear. So it's gonna look like this. And your 8th angle, your last angle, it's gonna be from here to here, here to here. So we're gonna do a review. Let's start from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we started from the back. That's 4, 5, 6,
7, and 8. Now we're back where we started.
Alright, y'all. So y'all seen the angles. Now on to the next. Another key thing to your wolf journey is to double compress. When you double compress, you get to lay your wolf down. Alright, now that you done started wolfing, you done started waving, and you got the ripples, and you started wolfing. Now, it's down to the cut day. Alright, you done wolf for 6 weeks. Now you ready to cut the hair and see the progress that you made. Alright, what you need to do is you need to wash your hair, wash and style the day before the haircut, and add a little bit of oil. Alright, just so your hair won't be as dry. And, it's gonna be a little moist, and it'll look a little healthier. Now this cut's gonna be a little different. Then when you first started, you cut it down to a 1.5. Now you're gonna need to cut it down to a 2, only because you have to wolf again. Alright, so when you cut it down to a 2, that's not as low. It's not gonna be too low, so you just bounce right back to the next wolf session. If you cut your hair too low, it won't hit your curling as fast as you want it to. But if you cut it down to a 2, you're gonna hit your curling by like next week. After the cut, you should not wash your hair. And the medium brush will be your best friend until you're able to use a hard brush again. And never go to sleep without a do-rag. Never, ever, ever. Last great tip I'm gonna give you guys as beginner wavers, the last and the greatest tip of all time, is to stay consistent. Stay consistent and brush. Trust the process and be patient. After you've done all of that, and then a couple months later, you swimming, you elite and everything, you could just cash at me $100, just because I helped out a little bit, cash at me $100, I'll take that. But that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Road to 10K. Don't forget to donate, guys. Please donate so we get that new camera so the videos can be fire. And that's it, y'all. We out of here.